Folks, some time has passed since my last custom uniform tutorial, and now we have an easier method in creating a custom. But before starting this tutorial, I do want to show you that there is an unofficial customs group called Innovation Security Customs Hub, and in this group you can join the Discord server here in the corner, and you can obtain help by others, such as the custom approvers, on creating your own custom. You can get your custom approved there. You can just ask for general help, templates, and whatever else. Even clarification on the custom rules. It's brought to you by Thoricelli, a reputable person in the Innovation Security group. He has released his own version of he's released his own editor for making your own custom. A new method which is heaps easier than learning how to use Photoshop or Photopea or PaintNet. Heading towards the GitHub page, which should be linked in the description, you can read this README section. He's got like the features he's wanting to release soon. What has been released, his upcoming features, and there's even a disclaimer that you should know that the templates are resourced by Skyfall and Risen. To download this software, you have to head over to the releases section here, and you can just grab the latest version. As of today, it's version 0.7. You can click down on assets and click on the .msix hyperlink. Click on save file. It's gonna vary if you're using Firefox or Chrome, and just launch the executable. This whole project is open source. There's no viruses, and you might get this prompt that this app is unrecognized, but this is because there's no certification behind this software, because certificates do cost money, and this is just a small project Thoricelli is doing. So you will just click run anyway, and click next. Select where you want this piece of software to install, whether you want it to install for every account on your computer or just your own account. Click next. Do you want the piece of software to have a shortcut on your desktop for easy access? Same goes for the start menu. I personally prefer to just have it on my start menu to keep my desktop more cleaner. You can select next. Say yes for admin privileges, and then you can click close. Now to find the app, you'll just search up what's it called? Innovation. You search up on the start menu the uniform editor, and it should come up as the first results. Depending if you have any pieces of software with that name. Now, before you do want to do anything in this piece of software, you do want to check for updates just to make sure all the templates are up to date, as sometimes there are minor changes which can make or break whether your customer is approved or not. Now your software should be up to date. You can click on new recolor. Now for your shirt or pants. This software is pretty nifty, as you can see which uniform is which with the picture and the name. Now you can only make customs for pieces of uniform you own yourself. So if you don't own something, you'll have to buy it to be able to wear the custom. Okay, so for example, I'll just use this standard piece of uniform as to make a custom out of. You click create, and now you get brought up to this screen. You can select a background image if you want. Add a background. Heading over to your pictures, and here's my innovation logo I drew in Paint. Click OK, and it should pop up in the background, but I don't know why it's not showing up. Oh, it's loading, I guess. Oh yeah, because I don't even know. But anyway, it's not important, your background, but here you can select your color. Say you want it red. You can mess around with your RGB colors or your hex code. Click OK, and that's your custom done for you. Click on Manage Drawing. See, individually tick the layers, because sometimes you might want to just grab the current template and edit it in your own Photoshop, which is possible like this. But anyway, just to keep it simple, you can have it in, just set your color, and then you can click Export and then Download, and then you can create a file name. It's like My First Custom Red. It doesn't have to be that name, but it can be whatever. So click Save, and that's your custom saved. With this uniform, there's two patterns. There's the camouflage and the background color. You can do, say, red and green. Oh, it's colored in the vest, but yeah. Depending on your shirt you want to do, you can change you can change the colors of different areas. So it's not too advanced. Like, you are able to get customs approved where, say, the camouflage is one color and the background color is another color, but that's where you'll just have to click on Manage Drawing, select what's visible, what's not, and then you'll have to go to your Photoshop and color in this squares. So yeah, see, like here you've got the nude camouflage template, which makes it easier to select what you want to color. I believe it will be an upcoming feature one day, but as of today, it's not a feature. For the gradients, you'd want to just click on the plus next to color 0, and you can set your first color to be, say, this turquoise looking color. I don't know what the name of it is. Then you'll just click plus under this, and here's your second color, which will show up on color 2. And you can also just change the color of that to your own preference. But you have to be aware, you can only set 2 color gradients, you can't have 3. And this will include for your pants. Your pants have to transition from your shirt, consistently. So, say if you set a yellow bottom, you'll want to have yellow pants. A red bottom will mean a red pants, and so on. And when you want to transition from the shirt to the pants, you'll just click on your color and then just copy the hex code and transfer it over to your pants, so you have the same exact color. Because if you do it manually, like playing with this circle, you might have a slightly different hue to your color, which might make your uniform declined. So yeah, just have to copy the hex code. Now to make a new, to get the custom approved, you have to head over to the Discord server and the Innovations Customs Hub. You'll want to create a ticket, which is, where is it? Yeah, here under the ticket subheading, you want to go onto the requests channel, then create a ticket, which I won't do because I don't need anything approved. And there you'll upload your shirt and pants to get approved by someone. And yeah, that's it. That's how you make a custom.